The inverted mount kit for the Poly Studio X30 will allow you to maintain a clean look in your room while having the X30 mounted under the monitor. The kit includes the vista mount, wall mount, updated front X30 screen, extension brackets, and various screws. Measure the distance you will need the X30 to have for its cables to run behind the monitor. Choose the right bracket to attach to the mount based upon your measurements. Secure the bracket to the codec mount. Attach codec mount to the X30 with thumb screw. Properly align the inverted mount brackets with the existing TV mounting brackets and tighten screws to ensure a snug fit. This may take a few minutes to ensure proper alignment. It is recommended to pre-wire the HDMI cable to the TV and run your other cables to make the final steps easier. Carefully remount the TV. Connect cables to the X30 and attach to the inverted mount. The next step is to carefully replace the existing front screen from the X30 with the included screen. Do not use the existing screen. You can discard that or keep for later use. The final step is to navigate to the X30's web interface. Under Video Inputs, you will see Orientation. Under Orientation, select Inverted. This will flip the image so you'll see it right side up.